We are MIOPS, the brand behind a range of innovative photography and videography products. Now, we are back with our 5th Kickstarter. Meet CAPSULE Pro. CAPSULE Pro is a great companion for time-lapse, panorama, 360-degree photography, and videography. It will impress you with its ease of installation and use, as well as its powerful features. It is now very easy to take motion shots, whether single-axis or multi-axis. Time-lapse has always been one of the most compelling videos for anyone to watch. If there's anything more appealing than time-lapse, it's motion time-lapse. Now you can easily add pan or tilt motion to your time-lapse videos thanks to CAPSULE Pro, and even linear motion by combining it with MIOPS Slider. CAPSULE Pro is also ideal for panorama shots. Adjust the angle you want to shoot, whether single-axis or multi-axis, and let CAPSULE Pro do the rest. All you have to do is combine the photos taken with great precision that create that unique photo. We said that CAPSULE Pro is a versatile device. It really is. Thanks to the turntable add-on, it is now very easy to take 360-degree product photos. Moreover, by automatically rotating in degrees of precision you want. Go beyond ordinary movements with CAPSULE Pro. It is now very easy to take more dynamic and interesting shots by defining more than 2 keyframes. Besides all these great features, CAPSULE Pro can be used in conjunction with other MIOPS products, Slider Plus and Flex. In this way, it is also possible to add third-axis movement to your shots with Slider, and to make day-to-night motion time-lapse videos with Flex Holy Grail feature. As with the past 4 Kickstarter projects, we are again asking for your support to bring this great product to life. Thank you.